Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some important news for all you Google Pixel users out there, especially those of you riding the beta wave. Google has just started rolling out a new update, Android 16 QPR2 Beta 3.3. Now, before you get too excited about flashy new features, I have to tell you, this one is a bit different. It's all about stability, and it tackles one particularly nasty bug that has been driving a lot of us crazy. So, what's the big deal with Beta 3.3? The main highlight, and really the only highlight in the official changelog, is a fix for a major lock screen issue. Have you ever picked up your Pixel, tried to unlock it, and it just freezes? The screen becomes totally unresponsive, and you're left with no choice but to force a restart. Yeah, that one. It's been officially logged as issue number 457,527,675, and it's been a source of major frustration for many users on the beta track. The good news is, Google has finally squashed this bug in the latest release. This should mean a much smoother, more reliable experience when you're waking up your phone. This update is rolling out now for a wide range of Pixel devices. If you have a Pixel 6, 6 Pro, or anything newer, including the latest Pixel 10 series and the Pixel Foldables, you're eligible. The build number is BP41.2509160154, the Pixel 6 series, and a slightly different version ending in a 1 for all the newer models. An interesting thing to note is that this update is still running on the October 2025 security patch. This really confirms that Google's priority right now is adding new features or even updating the security level, but purely focusing on fixing this critical stability problem before the public release. This is pretty typical for what we call a QPR or quarterly platform release. These updates, especially the beta point releases like this one, are all about refining the software and ironing out the kinks. We saw a similar thing with Beta 3.1, which addressed some boot loop issues that were causing phones to get stuck while starting up. So, Google is clearly in a fix-it mode. This update is a crucial step towards the final, stable version of the December feature drop, which we're all looking forward to. A stable foundation is key, and it seems that's exactly what Google is building right now. For those of you already enrolled in the Android beta program, you should see the over-the-air or OTA update notification pop up on your device anytime now. The rollout is gradual, so if you don't see it immediately, don't panic. You can always be proactive and check for it yourself. Just head into your phone's settings, go to System, and then tap on Software Update. A quick tap on Check for Updates should get the process started if it is available for your device. The download is relatively small, so it shouldn't take too long to install. Now, if you're not in the beta program but this lock screen bug has you tempted to jump in for the fix, you can still sign up. Just head over to Google's Android beta website. The process is super straightforward. You just sign in with your Google account and enroll your eligible Pixel device. A word of caution. As always, even though this update is focused on stability, you are still running pre-release software. Betas can sometimes have their own quirks or minor bugs, so you should always be aware of that risk before you decide to enroll your primary daily driver phone. But for many, getting rid of that frustrating freeze will be well worth it. Looking at the bigger picture, while an update with just one major bug fix might not seem like the most exciting news, it's actually incredibly important. It shows Google is listening to user feedback from the beta community and is committed to delivering a polished final product. These stability-focused updates are what make the final public release so much better for millions of users worldwide. By fixing these annoying bugs now, Google ensures that when the December feature drop officially lands, it's not just packed with new features, but it's also smooth and dependable. So, to recap, Android 16 QPR2 Beta 3.3 is out now for Pixel 6 and newer devices. It doesn't have any new features, but it brings a much-needed fix for the annoying lock screen freeze bug. If you're in the beta program, go check for your update. And if you've been suffering from that freeze, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. We are getting closer and closer to the final public release, and this update is a solid step in the right direction. It makes me even more excited to see what the final polished version of the December feature drop will bring. What are your thoughts on this? Have you been experiencing the lock screen freeze? Are you going to install the new beta right away? Let me know down in the comments below. I love hearing from you all and reading about your experiences with these updates. And if you found this video helpful or informative, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for all the latest news and updates in the world of Android. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.